Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Every year when A&M plays their arch rival, the University of Texas, they build a huge bonfire. Now, this thing is huge. They douse it with a couple 100 gallons of diesel fuel, and it goes up like a torch. It's spectacular. I've seen it. It's really very cool. So this week in the frame shop, our client is Amy at TGS Architects, and her client is First National Bank of Central Texas. And they asked for a before and after picture of the bonfire. Before I show you that, I'm going to teach you a new word, lenticular. So here is a short video clip from one of our previous videos. You already know what this is, you just don't know the name, so take a look at this. So on one side we have before the bonfire is lit, on the other side we have it after it's been set ablaze. So we didn't really know if we could figure this out or do this, so we decided to make a model out of foam core and paper, just kind of proof of concept. So here it is, take a look. All right, so that's the concept. The client approved it. So now let's go back in the frame shop and figure out how we're gonna make this. Here's our triangles. We had our CNC vendor cut these and assemble them and paint them black. They're 1/2 inch MDF, so they're pretty heavy. We're gonna put a double cleat system on this, so it'll have a cleat at the top and the bottom, and then we'll put a single rail on the wall that these will hook into. So precision is gonna be really important in getting the cleats on. We're gonna do that next. All right, now it's time to put the cleats on. There's gonna be a cleat at the top and the bottom, so accurate placement is very important because these have to hang in a perfectly straight line. So we're gonna use this square that has all these little holes in here so we can get really precise markings. It's gonna go on like that, and then we can mark a pencil line across the back to make sure that it's very accurate. So let's get that done. Before and after. No picture frames were harmed in the making of this video. Bring us your fabrication jobs. We have mad skills with or without picture frames. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.